It's been a while since I've done a video, but as you can tell, poking out here, I got a new toy. This is the brand new Ready to Run. Now, I don't know. It looks like a pretty cool little machine. We shall see. I haven't even opened it up yet, as you can tell. So, what do you say we open it up and see what's inside? Well, sorry about the lighting, but I'm not very skilled with one hand, so I went ahead and went off camera and opened up the box. So we're going to try and pull things out and see what we got. Instructions, stickers. There's the remote. Let me get you into the light here. It is a 2.4 gigahertz radio system. That's what it says on the box anyway. Look at that. Looks like a 4-channel. Yeah, 4-channel Kyosho Perfects. That's pretty cool. Let's see the unit itself. Look at that. Bottom. Pre-painted body. Kind of a plastic, but that's okay. Doesn't have the plow unless it comes in one of these other boxes. Well, I'm just going to go ahead off camera again, open up a few more of these boxes and see what else we got. Alright, well, the rest of the boxes are opened up, and the only extra was the plow. Now, I haven't actually installed it yet. There's a few screws and so on and so forth. But hopefully, the next time I make a video, it will be of this little bad boy actually running. Now, I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a info on this. Now, inside, they've done it a completely different fashion. Now, the battery sits down in here. There's a servo here, as you can see. That servo is actually what controls the lifting of the plow. And this one, if you can tell, is actually a dual motor. We'll see how long it takes for it to actually burn out. 2.4 gig radio system, as I said earlier. And other than that, she looks like a pretty sweet little rig. So, till next time, hopefully you enjoy what I have given you to contemplate.